speak really fast because I'm running really late. It is 5:50 and I just got up and I need to make lunch. So I'm gonna make salmon patties, which I haven't made in a really long time. So I'm gonna use 3 small cans of this skinless boneless salmon. It's in there, and I'll hope I remember to tell you the recipe later. And I'm gonna fry them up in a pan. I'm gonna stick them on a bun. I'm gonna give them some Doritos and maybe throw in an apple, and we're gonna be done. Hopefully, I'll get it done in time. Okay, so really quickly, there's an egg in here. There's 1/4 cup of mayo. I think 1/4 cup of, or no, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. What else? A tablespoon of lemon juice. A tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, that's what it looks like. Here, I've made 1 patty, and they're kind of small because hold on a second. I need to put this in the pan. Let me put this right here. Falling apart. I'm going to do this with 1 hand. Don't do it like this. Don't do it while Instagramming. Okay, we did 4 minutes on one side, and now I'm flipping them. Actually, those others did 3. This one did 4. Oh, good Lord. I burnt it. I'll eat that one. Man, I already tasted them because, you know, it's already cooked salmon. They're delicious. This is going to be good. Okay, 3 more minutes on this side, and then we're done. Okay, these guys are done. This one is, I think, was sitting off to the side, so it's not quite, but almost. And this is it all together. I wanted to show you. So I got the skinless, boneless, what does it say, chunk style, in water type of salmon. You can also get salmon in larger containers or larger cans, and usually those have bones in them. Good to know that all canned salmon is wild salmon, so it's super good for you and a really good deal. It tastes delicious. This does not taste fishy at all. The kind I remember in the larger containers, the ones with the bones in them, I think they taste a little fishier, so I don't really buy that. I think that's it. By the way, not to toot my own horn, but I finished lunches on time. It's 6:38. My other child is gone, already at school, and I'm waiting on my eldest to get her honey down here so that we can get on the way. Okay, I'm sitting here recuperating from my very busy morning, but I did want to tell you, I looked at that picture. There's no orange in there. I did add fruit. I feel like it wasn't that healthy of a lunch. I mean, the salmon burger was very healthy, and that had the vegetable in it because remember, I put the lettuce in there. And then the Doritos, but you know, my kids eat chips. And then, this is an awful angle. And Oreos, because, well, Oreos. And there was supposed to be an orange in there. So I did add an orange. I just wanted to tell you that. But now I'm going to give you the recipe because it's so good. It's so good that I haven't written on my blog and I don't know how long. And I'm about to put it on my blog because it was so delicious. I just ate it for breakfast. I would have showed you, but I ate it too fast. I was so hungry. It was so good.